right, I got these RELIFE dip bars in the mail, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing. All right, this comes in like a bunch of little pieces, I think. So I'm gonna have to put it together. All right, these are the pieces. Let's see. Got one of the little dip bar things. Got one of the feet. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like a Lego set. All right, so this is all the pieces. I don't know if you guys can see that really well, but I'm gonna have to put this together like a little Lego set. Yay. So it comes with directions, so let's see. I'm gonna do all of that. All right, this is not gonna be like a tutorial video. This is gonna be just a quick put together part. It looks a lot more intimidating than it is. Yeah, again, this is so easy to put together. It's just like, there's so many little pieces, so it looks scary. All right, I put them together. They're looking nice. Got this RELIFE logo that kind of, I don't know. It's okay, it kind of looks like it's gonna peel off, but it's still nice. You got these pads here for your hands. Let's see the official test to see if they're gonna break. Let's see. Oh yeah. You can do dips on these things. You can do a little bit rows like this. Whoa, whoa, just like that. We can do some, flip them this way, some leg lifts, either with your knees like this, or you can do straight leg like this. A lot of different workouts you can do with these. You can get up and do a handstand. Just go straight up. Eventually I'll do it. No, but if you guys want these, I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can order your own. But these are pretty cool for at-home workouts. Yeah,